Hi there, we are again back with the episode number 3. This time again we are talking on the lean waste types. So in this video we will be talking about the extra processing or over processing. So we are making the videos one by one because we want to give you as much practical examples as much we can give to make it more clear and easy for you to understand so that you can apply this in your work area. So before we move ahead, I would say if you have not already subscribed to our channel PAX Beast, please do that so that you can keep on getting the updates. Let's move ahead with the slide number 2. Now, as I have already told that we are talking about extra processing or over processing. So extra processing or over processing is basically when you are doing some extra steps which are not required, which are beyond requirement, which are for which customer is not willing to pay. That is called extra processing. Or you are doing extra activity for some particular task which is not required, which is not there in the specification. So that is called extra processing or over processing. For example, to simply understand, when you are cooking food, if you cook it beyond the time requirement, either its taste will be it will taste badly, or it will burnt. You will not be able to eat, right? So that is extra processing. So we need to understand what exactly extra processing and what are the examples of extra processing, right? So the examples are, if we come the first main example is access reporting. So what happens, I have seen this in many of the companies. What happens in the morning, you'll keep on getting multiple emails by default which will be loaded with the multiple reports, and even the people who does not even know what these reports are, they keep on getting the reports, and all the reports will be different and nobody knows what these reports are all about. So unnecessary reporting is being made, extra reporting is being made, which is actually confusing. Nothing else is happening with that reporting. So that is very much a very good example of extra processing waste. So we need to fix those things and we need to come up with only required reports. Unnecessary reports will definitely create trouble in the business. Now, next step is, I have seen unnecessary repeated inspections. Inspections, audits are very good, which are required to keep the sanity of the process and keep checking whether we are on the right track or not. But if these things keep on happening daily basis, or the frequency is increased in a huge way, so definitely this is going to impact the process, which will definitely delay the output, and it will definitely be a bad thing for the industry or the company. So unnecessary inspections should be avoided until unless it is absolutely emergency or necessary. Then long and multiple meetings for some project, even people are involved which are not required to be part of the meeting. That's bad. Multiple reviews, level 1 review will happen, then level 2 review will happen, level 3, then level 4, then manager, then senior manager, then AVP, then head of the department, which is again a waste, extra processing waste. It can definitely be cut down to 1 or 2 reviews. Multiple approvals for some project or anything, for small things, multiple people are made responsible to approve the things, which is again a very bad thing to do. Or I mean, it actually creates trouble in the project delivery. Then multiple paper checkpoints. Receptionist will check something, then it will go to the admin department, then it will go to the finance department, then it will go to the management, or there may be multiple other points, maybe security will check or something. That is again extra processing waste. Let's move ahead with some more examples We have seen sometimes redundant data entries are being done without any reason, which is not required, and definitely it creates confusion in the database. Painting of unseen areas. Sometimes when the painting is being done on the vehicle, the people are doing the painting on the areas which are not required to be painted. Definitely this is gonna kill the time of the person who is working, and definitely going to be more costly for the company, and then it will definitely create chaos for the organization. Then cleaning, polishing and washing more than required standard. It's again the same. So whatever is the specification, you have to work accordingly. Nothing less, nothing more. Cooking food for extra time, which we have already discussed. And then duplication of work. Two people are working on the same activity. Maybe reporting. One person is again making the report, another person is again making the same report, which is again a very bad thing to do in the organization, which definitely these are the very good examples to understand where we can improve, what all things can be improved, where we can reduce the waste and take the benefit from the things. So for now it's all. From in next video we'll be sharing another examples and the definitions. So till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.